Hello and welcome back to Project 380. As you can see, today I'm back at Spa Valeting and Vinyl and I'm working on the green NA again. Both the front wings on the NA are completely shot and badly repaired, so today I'm going to be replacing both the front wings. So as you can see, the wings at the front are completely shot and there's just a little bit of fiberglass covering all the rust up. So the first step to removing the NA wing is to remove the inner arch, and that is just a few 10mm bolts and a few push pins. And then there's one right at the front, connecting the wing to the bumper, and that's just a Phillips screw. Now we can carefully peel away the inner liner from the arch. Now with that out of the way, the fun and the snapping of the bolts begins. The first bolt I'm going to remove is the one right down here nearest the door. You'll need a few extensions and a 10mm to get all the way down there. While you're down there, disconnect the side repeater as well. It simply twists and the bolt pulls out. At the front, the bumper is connected to the wing with 2 bolts. And I'm pretty sure the bottom one is gonna snap. After you've done crying for about half an hour because you can't get that rusted bolt undone, it's then time to attack the 2 underneath the sill, which are probably gonna snap as well. Yep, and then if you open the door, you'll see one more 10mm bolt up the top here, connecting the wing to the chassis. And then 4 10mm bolts along the top inside the engine bay. And there is a bolt right here between the bumper and the wing, and to gain access to that I've taken the 6 10mm bolts out along the front of the bumper and a 10mm nut either side right there. Then you should be able to move the bumper just far enough away to gain access to that bolt. Once all the bolts are out, you can carefully lift the wing off the car. Now is a really good time to sort out any rust, drill out any bolts that are snapped and have a really good cleanup before putting the wings on. Refitting the new wings is exactly the same as taking the old ones off, but hopefully with a lot less tears. So I was then getting ready to film an outro, but Ricky's got other ideas. The paintwork on this is really faded and full of swirl marks, and with the new wings on, they look a completely different colour to the rest of the car. So we're going to give it a quick paint correction. So that is the NA all done. It's got some nice new poorly painted wings on, but with less rust and fiberglass. And it's had a quick paint correction. And that's all thanks to Ricky at Spa Valeting and Vinyl. Hopefully one day when my car is done, it's going to be in this bay getting a paint correction of its own. So if this video helped you fit your NA wings or has convinced you to go outside and polish your rust bucket, please leave it down in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.